Welcome to another Glendale Designs video tutorial. This is going to be a very quick walkthrough showing you how to generate URIs for your Miva store. First, let's take a look at a product that doesn't have a properly formatted URI. You can see that the web page URL is a long string of identifiers that Miva uses to locate the page. URLs that look like this often happen for a couple of reasons. Number one, you don't have a URI management set up on your site. If that's the case, all your products and pages will look similar to this. Reach out to your developer to get that fixed. We also have a blog post on the topic linked in the description. If you do have URI management set up and you still have a couple of products or pages that look this way, it's likely because A, you created the item while it was set to inactive, maybe so you could add the details before making the product live, or perhaps during a new product line launch. B, the products were created using a flat file or CSV import. Or C, you've made an old inactive product active again on your site. Unfortunately, Miva doesn't automatically generate URIs, so any of these scenarios could lead to issues. Having these long-form URLs can negatively impact your Google Ads account, causing products to be invalidated. It can also negatively affect your SEO, and finally, it's more difficult for the user to share and understand the page. Thankfully, correcting this is super simple. Begin by logging into your Miva account. Click the Settings menu in the lower left corner and choose URI Management. On this page, select the URI tab. This will show you the URIs you currently have for every product and page on the site. Click the Generate button. When this window appears, select the items for which you want to generate URIs. Make sure Generate URIs only when none exist is selected, have the first drop-down box set to Normal, and have the second one set to Leave Old Canonical. Then click Generate. And that's it. Once the process has run, you can return to your product page, and you'll have your newly formatted URI. For a written breakdown of this process, click the article link in the video description. Check out our blog for more tips and tricks, and our YouTube channel for more walkthrough videos.